Master the art of word choice in formal writing. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to delve deep into the world of formal English writing. The topic of our discussion is using precise and specific language. This is a crucial part of effective formal writing as it ensures clarity, maintains professionalism, and exudes competence. Get ready to elevate your formal writing skills to a whole new level. In formal writing, the use of precise and specific language is absolutely essential. This is because vague or ambiguous language can lead to confusion and misinterpretation. Precision in language helps to ensure that your message is clear, concise, and understandable. It removes any room for ambiguity. Specificity, on the other hand, is about giving detail and context, so the reader can fully grasp your point without any guesswork. Now, let's talk about how to choose precise words in formal writing. Precision in word choice means choosing words that convey your meaning exactly and specifically, leaving no room for multiple interpretations. It's about avoiding vague language. For example, rather than saying, "a lot of people," say, 78% of the population. This gives your writing more credibility and ensures your audience understands exactly what you mean. Along with precision, we also need to ensure our word choices are specific. Specific language gives detail and provides context. For instance, instead of writing, "the weather was really bad," you might write, "the city experienced a severe thunderstorm with heavy rainfall." This provides more detail and gives your reader a clear picture of the situation. Another key aspect of precise and specific language is the avoidance of slang, jargon, and informal expressions. These types of language are often vague, regionally specific, or industry-specific, and can confuse or alienate readers who are not familiar with them. Instead, choose clear, universal language that all readers can understand. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of contextual clues in aiding precision and specificity. These are details that help the reader understand the time, location, situation, or mood of your writing. They add depth to your writing and help your reader fully grasp your message. We've now reached the end of our video, and we hope you've learned a lot about using precise and specific language in formal writing. Remember, the key is to always ensure that your words are accurate, detailed, and universally understood. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your formal writing skills.